Good morning everyone. Today we will do our exercise 4.2. We will start with the question number 3 students. Now see the students. Give the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Students, we have to again now here give the steps, not the first step. It means here it's not necessary that only one step is used. It may be more than one step will be used in these questions. Now see how. Now 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. What we have to do to solve an equation, we have to just eliminate the numbers which are present with the variable. Now here variable is n and the number which are present with the variable are 3 and minus 2. What you have to do? First you have to eliminate these two. How you will be do? Opposite. If here is minus, you will be do the addition. So we will write add 2 to both sides. Add 2 to both sides. Now whatever we are doing on left hand side, the same thing we have to do on the right hand side. So 3n minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 46 plus 2. Now minus 2 and plus 2 are cancelled. Now 3n is equal to 46 plus 2 is 48. Now you can see here is variable n and the constant is 3. We have to remove that number. Now what we will do? They are multiplying with each other. We will do the opposite. We will do the division. So divide by 3 to both sides. Here two steps are using to solve this equation. First is addition and second is the division. 3n upon 3 and 48 upon 3. So 3 cancel out. Now we will cancel on the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. Here again 3 ones are 3. 1 and 8. 3 6 are 18. You can do the division on rough work, students. Remember here not only one step used, we use two steps. So that is why in question they haven't written that you have to give the first step. They have written give the steps. It means more than one are using in this question. Now B part, student. See the B part. Here 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Now what we have to do? We have to eliminate the number which are present along with the variable. Now here variable is 5m. Now we will keep 5m as such, not plus 7. We have to remove that plus 7. Here it is plus. What we will do? Subtract. What subtract? That number is 7. So subtract 7 from both sides. Now 5m plus 7 minus 7. 17 minus 7. Both sides plus 7 minus 7 cancel. 5m plus minus sign bigger term. 17 is bigger. So we will put the sign of plus, that is plus 10. Now 5 and m, they are multiplying each other. But we will do division. Opposite we have to do. Now divide by 5 to both sides. You can write in other wording also. On dividing by 5 to both sides we get. You can change the wording. Now 5m upon 5, 10 upon 5. 5 cancel according to the rule of fraction. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So the value of m is 2. So m is equal to 2 is the solution of given equation. Now we will do our C part, student. Now see here, student. Here 20 and p, they are multiplying each other. And here 3 dividing. You can do any step. You can do first multiplication, you can do first division. So what I am going to do, here it is in denominator, the number is 3. I am going to remove that number 3 by multiplying with 3. So multiply by 3 to both sides. So 20p upon 3 multiply with 3. On right hand also, right hand side, we will do the multiplication with the number 3. Cancel. 20p. 40 into 3 is 120. Now 20 are p. Both are multiply. We will do the opposite. We do the division. Divide by 20 to both sides. Now 20p upon 20, 120 upon 20. 20 cancel out. 0 cancel out. Now on the table of 2, 2 ones are 2 6. So value of p is 6. Now student, D part. In the similar in this way we will do. Here it is division, we do multiply. 10 is division, we will do multiply. Multiply by 10 to both sides. 3p upon 10 multiply by 10. 6 multiply by 10. 10 cancel out. 3p, 6 into 10 is 60. Now 3p, 3 and p both are multiply. We will do the division. What we will divide? We will divide this 3. Divide by 3 to both sides. So 3p upon 3, 60 upon 3. 3 cancel out. Now on the table of 3. So the value of p is 20. So p is equal to 20 is the solution of given equation. Now our third question is complete till here. Now we will do question number 4. Now in this question, see the fourth question. Solve the following equation. We have to solve it. Here it is not written that you have to use some steps, but we will do with the previous one that we have to write the step. 10p, both are multiply, we will do division. Divide by 10 to both sides. So 10p upon 10, 100 upon 10. On both sides 10 cancel out, 10 cancel out. So the value of p is 10. That is the solution. Now here 10p is also here, plus 10 is also here. We have to eliminate the number present along with the variable. So first we will eliminate this 10. Here it is addition, we will do subtraction. Subtract 10 from both sides. Now 10p plus 10 minus 10, 100 minus 10. Plus 10 minus 10 cancel out. 10p. 100 minus 10, student, 90. Now 10 and p are multiplying each other. We will do the division. Divide by 10 to both sides. 10p upon 10, 90 upon 10. 10 cancel out, 0 cancel out. So value of p is 9. So p is equal to 9 is the solution of this equation. Now next is p upon 4 is equal to 5. Now here 4 are dividing with the variable. We will do the multiplication. Multiply by 4 to both sides. So p upon 4 multiply with 4. 5 multiply with 4. Cancel. So the value of P, 5 into 4 is 20. So this is your C part answer. Now we will do D part. Here 3 is divide. We will do multiply. Multiply by, now see student, here it is minus P. If you will see here carefully, here it is minus P. First what I am going to do, that is removing that 3. Multiply by 3 to both sides. Now minus P upon 3 multiply with 3, 5 into 3. Now what it comes? I am writing here 3 cancel out. Minus P is equal to 15. But what we have to do? We have to find the value of variable only P, not minus P. Now this minus, it means minus 1 multiplying with 1. We will divide with minus 1. Divide by minus 1 to both sides. Minus P upon minus 1. 15 upon minus 1. Why we are dividing with minus 1? Because here minus P. Minus P means minus 1 multiplying P is minus P. That is why we are dividing with minus 1, student. Now minus minus cancel out. So the value of P minus will never stay in denominator. It will come to the numerator. So value of P is minus 15. E part, 3P upon 4. 4 is dividing. We will do multiply. Multiply by 4 to both sides. To both sides. Now 3P upon 4 multiply with 4. Whatever we are doing on left hand side, the same we have to do on right hand side also. 4 cancel out. Now 3P, 6 into 4 is 24. Now 3 and P both are multiplying with each other, but we will do the division. Now divide by 3 to both sides. Now 3P upon 3 and here 24 upon 3. Now 3 and 3 will cancel out. Now on the table of 3, 3 8s are 24. So the value of P, is 8. So answer is P is equal to 8. Now see the student, F part. Here 3 and S both are multiplying with each other. We will do the division. We will eliminate the number present along with the variable. Divide by 3 to both sides. To both sides. 3S upon 3 minus 9 upon 3. 3 cancel out. Now on the table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So the value of S is minus 3. So the value of S is minus 3. Now student, our next part, G part, after the F part. 3S plus 12 is equal to 0. Here it is plus 12. We have to remove that 12 by subtracting. So subtract 12 from both sides. 3S plus 12 minus 12, 0 minus 12. Plus 12 minus 12 cancel. 3S plus minus minus, sign bigger term. Bigger term is 12. In front of 12 minus, so we put minus 12. Now 3 and s are multiplying. We will do opposite. Divide by 3 to both sides. Now 3s upon 3 minus 12 upon 3. 3 cancel out. 3 4s are 12 minus 4. So the value of s is minus 4. Now h part, student. 3s both are multiplying. We do the opposite. We do the division. So divide by 3 to both sides. Three s upon 3, 0 upon 3. 3 cancel out. Now student, remember one thing. If in denominator it is any number and on numerator there is number 0, 0 is divided by any number, your answer is 0. So the value of s is 0. Now I part, 2 and q both are multiplying. We will do the division with 2. Divide by 2 to both sides. 2q upon 2, 6 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, cancel out. 2 3s are 6. So the value of q is 3. This is the answer of I part. Now j part. 2q minus 6. We have to eliminate the number. Now we will eliminate this minus 6. It is minus 6. We will do addition. Add 6 to both sides. 2q minus 6 plus 6. We have to do on right hand side also. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel out. Now 2q, 0 plus 6 is 6. 2 and q both are multiplying each other. We will do the division. Divide by 2 to both sides. 2q upon 2, 6 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So here the value of q is 3. Now k part, plus 6 we will do minus, subtract 6 from both sides. 2q plus 6 minus 6, 0 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel, student. Plus minus is minus, sign bigger term, that is 6 in front of 6. Here is minus. So we put here minus. 2 and q multiply. We do division. Now 2 and 2 cancel out. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So minus 3. So here our answer is q is equal to minus 3. Now L part, student. 2q plus 6 we will do minus, subtract 6 from both sides. 2q plus 6 minus 6, 12 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 cancel. 2q, 12 minus 6 is 6. Plus minus minus, sign bigger term, bigger is 12. So plus. Now 2 and q multiplying each other, we will do division. divide by 2 to both sides. 2q upon 2, 6 upon 2. So 2 and 2 cancel out. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So the value of q is 3. This is your student L part. This is your exercise 4.2 students. Okay students, today we will do till exercise 4.2. Now you have to do the practice of these questions at home. Till then, bye.